All right, so I want to tell y'all something that's nifty, that was completely unexpected, that occurred to me. So the other day I get an email, and it says my package is going to be delivered. And I don't have any idea what package this is. I haven't ordered anything, and it says it's from Kaiser Willys. All right, so I'm trying to figure out, like, I haven't ordered anything from Kaiser Willys in a while. Like, why would I be getting a random package from Kaiser Willys? So anyway, it ends up going to my old address, not the new house, but to the old address. So I get a hold of it, and it turns out Kaiser Willys sent me a gift, and I guess it's something they do for their representatives or influencers, whatever they call them. They do that, and so they sent me a Christmas gift. But this was like, I got it last week, or earlier this week, that is. So it was a little bit removed from Christmas, so I guess it's just the post office took forever to get it. But look at what they sent me. It's really nifty, all right? They sent me this Willys Overland hat right here, and it's even a Richardson. And Richardson makes really nice hats. I really like Richardson hats. So they sent me this bad boy right here. And, I mean, that's nifty. Got the WO logo on it and everything. All right, so that's sick. All right, they sent that. And they sent me a gift certificate, which is really nifty, so I can buy some parts from them. And this was their Christmas gift to me. So I just thought that was really, really neat. I've kind of slacked off on doing the Kaiser Willys videos that I normally do since I bought the house, because there's just been so much going on, and it's been a couple months since I posted one on there. So, but like, this is really good. I really like that. I had no idea they did that, and it's just neat. I appreciate that. I'm glad they're a sponsor of mine. I just really, really like it, and you should like them too, because Kaiser Willys. I've got a plan here. I'm going to tell you in the next video. I'm going to film another video today, but it's heavily reliant on Kaiser Willys, and that's how I'm going to do this next video. So I'll get into that in the next one. But regardless, I've bought stuff from them for years before I was ever affiliated with them at all. I bought stuff from them. I've had good success with the parts I've ordered from, the gaskets, and they're remanufactured, period correct style parts. I just really like the fact that they exist. They're close by to me in Georgia, so they're over in Aiken, South Carolina, so the shipping usually is really fast. Their customer service is very good whenever I've had any questions or problems with, like the post office not sending me something or something's missing. They're just really, really pleasant to deal with. So I know there's lots of vendors out there that sell Jeep parts, and a lot of them are really good. It's not just Kaiser Willys that's good, but I have a special affection for Kaiser Willys, not just because of their name and everything, but I've had really good success with them. And you can have that kind of success with them too. Go over there, pick you out some Jeep parts for your vintage old flat fender, your forward control, your whatever it is that you got that's a Willys, all right? And use my code REDCLAY10, and that will give you 10% off everything on the website except for tires, tubs, and tub kits, all right? So go over there. You got no excuse. Get you a discount. Tell them the Red Clay Travelers sent you, all right? And get you some parts. Get you some of that gasket. You got a head gasket leaking? Get it from Kaiser Willys. You need a fuel pump? Get it from Kaiser Willys. You need a gas tank? I've bought several of their gas tanks for Willys trucks. Phenomenal quality, fit perfect, really like them. I bought a lot of stuff from them, all right? So go over there, tell them I sent you, buy some parts, and don't forget to use my code REDCLAY10. 10% off everything on the website except for tires, tubs, and tub kits. And while you're over there, you can even get one of these sick hats. You can get gift certificates for your dad, grandpa, grandma, cousin, uncle, whoever, and get them one of these sick hats, because it's just nifty, king, cool, groovy. I got to bend the brim. All right, I'm not a flat brim kind of guy, but either way, this can be my shop hat. Just remember, the Red Clay Traveler loves you, and so does Kaiser Willys. Thank you, Kaiser Willys, for the gift for Christmas. I really appreciate it. Yeah, buddy, get it. Get that Jeep running. Do it. Yeah.